Jan de Beer, formerly known as the master of the Milan Adoration, was born circa 1475, died 1528. He was a Flemish painter, draftsman and glass designer active in Antwerp at the beginning of the 16th century. He is considered one of the most important members of the loose group of painters active in and around Antwerp in the early 16th century, referred to as the Antwerp Mannerists. Highly respected in his time, he operated a large workshop with an important output of religious compositions.